Okay, this is a 2008 Volvo S80, and the inside door handle on these break with the plastic piece on them. Breaks off of them right there. A lot of people try to fix that. That's the rigged way. Don't do that. I ordered a new one, and I'm gonna put it in. You got your little rivets right here, little plastics that sit in here. You'll have to get like a drill, or you can use a punch. And these are the holes that have them. They're like little plastic rivets. I'm gonna put fasteners back in them, little push fastener. These kind right here, little push fastener assortments. So I'll show you how I do that, and I'll show you the new one here in a minute. But this is how you get it out. I haven't seen anybody online show anybody how to get any of these out. And that's how you get it out, because it sits in here, of course, like that. And you're gonna get these two out of here on the bottom. You just get your little drill with the holes right there, and then we're gonna put the new one in as soon as it gets here. They come with clips, the push washers, but I couldn't get them in there good, so I just used some E-clips. Just use some E-clips and squeeze them. That'll hold in there good, and you have a brand new handle. Okay, there we go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.